This is our Bluetooth intelligent lighting control solution. Consisting of a Bluetooth gateway, sensors, converters, controllers, dimmers, control panels, remote controls, and more. It can achieve Bluetooth to DALI plus 0-1 to 10 volt integration. It is equipped with constant voltage LED driver and constant current LED driver. It can be used with self-powered keypads, control panels, and other dimming demonstrations. Next, let's briefly introduce each product. This is Ultra Slim RGB plus CCT RGBW CCT DIM, 4-in-1 DC-DC LED controller. Controlled through both smart app and remote controls, no gateway required for local control. 2.4G mesh to DALI plus 0-1 to 10 volt, 2-in-1 converter. Controlled through both RF remote and smart app, no gateway required. This is universal 2.4G mesh LED dimmer. Mesh network, much longer control distance, transmits received signal to neighbor devices. Ceiling recessed smart PIR plus light sensor. 4-in-1 universal RF 2.4G mesh LED controller. Ultra powerful to control single color, CCT, RGBW, RGB plus CCT LED strips. 150 watt constant voltage 24 volt, for channel output optional. Smart phase cut dimmer with neutral wire. Input and output with screw terminals, safe and reliable. Smart relay switch. Can operate under 2-wire connection with no neutral lead or 3-wire connection with neutral lead. Configurable 2.4G mesh push-button coupler. 12 watt constant current 100 to 700 mA, 2-channel output. RF 2.4G mesh magnetic track driver. Bluetooth gateway. 2.4G mesh wall mounted remote controller. EU size self-powered CCT keypad. EU size self-powered DIM keypad. Push compatible 2.4G mesh knob smart dimmer. Configurable 2.4G mesh smart switch. 2.4G mesh RGB plus CCT remote. Demonstration of control. Let's talk about the use of these switches and panels. Off. On. Off. On. Brightness down. Brightness up. On. Brightness down. Brightness up. Cool white. Warm white. Off. On. Off. On. Brightness down. Brightness up. Off. Off. On. Brightness down. Brightness up. Cool white. Warm white. RGB color. Next, let's briefly discuss the pairing methods. Remote pair with RF plus Bluetooth receiver. Click on-off button to activate the remote. Click the prog key or reset button on RF plus Bluetooth receiver. Choose and click a zone number. LED lights connected with the receiver flicker. Means the receiver is paired with zone 2 successfully. Off. On. Zone 1. On. Off. Zone 2. On. Off. Can be controlled via a smart app. Devices control. Rooms control. Scenes control. Settings.